in today's video, I'm going to be doing some grouse and woodcock hunting with my dad and my dog. We're just going to be bushwhacking, trying to flush up some birds, getting some nice shots. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. But first guys, I'd like to give a huge shout out to my new sponsor, Northern Ontario Grouse Hunters Group. They are an amazing Facebook group of outdoors men and women. And if you love the outdoors just as much as I do and travel to Ontario frequently or live here, then you are more than welcome to join. They have a large number of members and is an amazing group to go to if you're looking for discussions, conversations, posting pictures, and just talking about anything in general that has to do with the outdoors. Len, the owner, hosts a lot of giveaways, raffles, and biddings for the entire group. He also sells very nice apparel. This is my hat I got from Len. He also sells bumper stickers, t-shirts, other hats, lots of things. So if you folks are interested in joining, I will have the link to the Facebook group in the description. Now back to the video. Oh, right there, right there, right there, right there. To your left, left. Yeah, she's pointing. Yeah, yeah. Nothing? Find it. Good girl, find the bird. You want to go in there, walk that way?
Yes.
Okay.
And then I'm going to go that way, okay?
Yeah.
But it could have even curled and went in that other bush. We'll go check there after. Okay, I'm going to go inside here.
It's weird that she pointed there. Obviously it went there, and that's where you heard it go.
It's gone.
Well,
but you never know.
It could have just ran back on this side.
Come.
Okay, I'm down here on the corner.
You're there?
Yeah.
Okay. Get ready here, eh? I think she might have landed in this corner. Oh, see it?
Got it. Yeah. Oh, another one. Two.
Where?
They flew down the, towards across the island.
You could get it before. Where did they go?
Straight down that chute.
And did they go to the left? Eh?
No, I don't know. Once they went through the grass, I couldn't see them anymore.
That one. Don't lose it. Good girl, Ava. Terrific.
There we go. Bikacha number one.
You gonna lose it?
You want to take care of it?
There's a woodcock. Nice shot, Chris. First woodcock of the 2021 season. Another tree over here is a nice spot. Get ready. Fine. Get ready right on that edge. Eh? Get it?
I don't know.
Was it a Bikacha?
Yeah.
Where'd it take off from?
From my left.
Really?
Yeah. Find.
Nothing.
Find a bird.
Oh, she's on point, Chris. Oh, I heard it.
Yeah.
Why are they so scared today? Oh. See? Never pointed. Is that the same one?
Yeah.
You get it?
No, I don't think so.
Well, we're not chasing
Here, find a bird. Here, find a bird. She's smelling.
scaring them, so when we do come hunting here, we won't get them.
That's okay. Partridge. Yeah, got it. Oh. Aye. Hey. Nice roughie. It's a male.
Maybe that's why she flushed up the
Beautiful.
Walk through this mud.
Back, yeah.
Is it a good size or small?
Pretty good.
Oh, you got it?
No, I don't have a shot. Shoot it. Nice.
There's another grouse. That's 2 now. Chris shot one and I shot one. The dog scared both of them up into the tree. Good job, Ava. Good job, girl. Good girl.
All right, guys. So far, we managed to get 2 grouse and 1 woodcock. We're just gonna make some moves and try everywhere else around. See if we can get any more. Maybe they crossed. Maybe they went across. That time he went across. Come on, bird. Oh, point. Yeah, she's on point. Galena. Yeah.
Oh, I heard it. Did you see it?
Oh, there's 2.
The other one fly away?
Yeah, I flew down the trail here. No. Yeah. There we go, guys. 3rd grouse of the day. That makes it 3 grouse and 1 woodcock. Alright, everybody. That is all for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you want to see more grouse and woodcock hunting videos on my channel. Please leave a like, a comment. I hope you guys have a good one. Take care.